Hello, I'm Tanya Shodine with Keller Williams Realty. Come take a look inside of 172 Colonel Thomas Heyward in the active 55-plus community of Sun City. This house is located on a premium lot with no house across the street. In fact, there's lagoon view. The house is backed to a golf course. Let's take a look inside. 3 bedrooms, newer windows, new roof, new air conditioning unit, open floor plan, dining area. There's a huge kitchen, stainless steel fridge, lagoon views from the kitchen. Down the hall, you will have the owner's suite, 2 bedrooms and bathroom.
Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 732-298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashodine@kw.com.